Hi, I'm Ifat Farazuddin Malik. I have done my professional experience with Cultural Mundi team as a journalist. It was a really great experience of my life because I get to work with so many people who are multicultural and multilingual.
I was the editor during the time in which Ifat worked for Culture Monday as a journalist. She was a very good addition to the team because she was incredibly enthusiastic about working with us, and she was very motivated and incredibly proactive.
The best thing about working with Culture Mundi was its team, which is so diverse, and we get to work with a team which is from marketing, HR department, finance, logistics, media producers, and like it's a bit of everything. And it's not like you are just in your shell and you're just doing journalism even after doing your professional experience, and what you did is what only journalism. But I contributed in marketing, I contributed in advertising, so I think I contributed myself in all this department, and it made me more like it gave me a wide range of experience that I can what I will be doing in my future. And it won't be just what, like, you just sit in your shell and just write or just produce yourself. So I think that's the best thing because it gave me a boost that yes, I can do all these things.
Right.
She contributed on a variety of tasks. She was very hard working. She wasn't just a journalist. I mean, she helped with ticket selling when we had events.
Well, she was always around with the stall as well, promoting Cultura Mundi as a team and as a brand. So, in a way, it just brought out the team player attributes, I would say. And it was really fun working with her because apart from the journalism knowledge, as you've already mentioned, she did all other things as well.
Very
And yeah, I do quite like her articles. A lot of them have come out, and I was reading the Kusu source.
Oh yeah, that was quite good.
And quite like the articles that she put up.
Square One is the place where most of our events were held. I think I'm really close to this place because I've started my career like as a journalist from this venue. So this will always be close to me, and I think I have learned so many things here. So this is one of a place. The most difficult thing about working in the team was that because we all were students, the Culture Mundi is a team in which all students work on a professional level. So it was really hard because everyone has got their deadlines of the submissions and courseworks and everything. And at the same time, we have to maintain the deadlines of a professional thing, like of the Culture Mundi, like when we attend the events, we have to attend the meetings, we have to prepare for the videos, you have to sell the tickets, you have to take part in promotion, volunteering. So it was really hard to arrange both the timings together, but we all did it really well, and I'm proud of the whole team that we were able to do it along with our university studies going with it.
I've worked quite close with Ifat during this term because she was in the media team as one of the journalists, which meant that during events she was always there to help us, with whatever we needed in terms of interviews and she's put her time and the effort into Cultural Monday, and she acts like a real journalist, and she's helped us a lot in terms of our work, and she's always fast in replying to emails, and you basically just know you can rely on her.
I think it has really changed me, Culture Mundi, because even when we were doing our news days, I was really scared to be a presenter or to be in front of the camera because I was always like that, no, I cannot do that. I was kind of having this fear of coming in front of the camera. But I think Culture Mundi has changed that as well because after being in the Culture Mundi team and when we held the events and everything, I did took part as a presenter when I present my team, when I present the event and introduce it, and we took part like it was really good. And I think now that fear has gone and I can be a TV presenter as well, which I was really scared of. Like the fear of camera is gone, I think.
Working with Ifat for Culture Monday was a pleasure. She has always been really punctual about everything she brings up, and this is a quality I really respect and I really like in her. She is really passionate about everything she's doing. I consider that she would make a really good career as a cultural journalist if she chooses that. This is obviously a field she enjoys. She has proven that she's a real professional, and every time she's becoming better and better and improving ever more. So I consider that she will do good in her future career as a journalist.
For team was really good. They always give us ideas. They are not like, okay, I'm good at this, I'm just going to keep it myself and I'm going to give my best. But they were always like sharing their views that, oh, you should try this and it will come out really good. And we did that. And it was really good because it was like we were working in a team, and it, like, you know, we were giving our positivism to each other so that it gains more confidence and experience.
That working as a journalist for Cultural Monday, I feel that Ifat was always a really enthusiastic team member. She was really reliable, and she was also a really honest team member, which is good, which is a quality that's really needed when you're working as a team. She was also really assertive, and she really participated in all the events, and she reached all the deadlines of the articles.
I've learned so many lessons while working with this team. It was whether it was time management or whether it's working with different teams, because whatever field we are in, we always think that this is the most difficult team and we have to give us so much in this, and we have to like literally give all of our time to do this, like writing an article. People think this is so easy and we think no, it just looks easy, it's not that easy. So I think this is what I've learned. Like in marketing, we think, okay, they just have to sell tickets, what else do they have to do? But they put their effort and their like ideas and creativity. So it's like every department has got their specialization, and it's really important. And when you work with the whole department like as a team, it like kind of gives you that ideas. And I think that's a really good thing, because before like literally stepping into the world, which is like just professionalism, and when we'll finish our degree and we'll get the graduation and when we'll do this, I think these things are the one which are going to help me. To work with Cultural Mundi overall was a great experience, because I got to learn so many things. Like I didn't know that I had, like I contributed in advertising, I contributed in marketing, as I always was keen to learn about more about culture, that how they work and how their origin is. So it was a really pleasure to work with Cultural Monday.